Hey guys, and welcome back to Schneid's 15. Today we're removing a lower unit on a 225 Yamaha Outboard. First, take off your trim tab on the back. There's a rubber plug that you pull out right where I shoved my socket through. I already had that removed. Take a 12mm socket and that trim tab will come off there. You're done with your trim tab, or with your 12mm socket, there. Next, grab a 42mm and extension, go up in there. There's one bolt located behind your trim tab, that one there, and the one right in front of it that a lot of guys miss and wonder why they can't get their lower unit off is they're both 14mm and those both are the same length. You're done at the back now, and you can go to the side. On the side, you're only going to be able to use your ratchet on the front two bolts. There's 6 in total, 3 per side. I remove the one here, and then I go to the starboard side and I take out the other 3, and you can only use a ratchet or whatever on those first 2 on the front, and then you have to use a ratcheting wrench or a wrench to get in there because your cavitation plate's in the way. So pull those out, and like I said here, I'm just getting them down on the far side there, don't mind my face. You get those out, pull the last one out, and then once you get that last one off, you just take your lower unit and simply give it a little bit of a shake, and it'll come off of the dowel pins right here. And make sure you're trimmed up a little bit higher than me, but pull it off and you're finished. I always leave them in neutral and put them back on in neutral. I find that works easiest for me. As always guys, thanks for watching, and please give the channel a like and a subscribe. If my videos interest you, please click on my channel and check out my other videos.